welcome to today's video. Today we're at Box Hill. Well, actually we're going down Box Hill to come back up it again. We're going to pick up the segment and then we're going to give it a right good old test up the hill and give this wonderful Inbike CC jersey the sweat test. We're just down the edge from at the moment, and yeah, we're just going to get a little bit of a recce before we start doing this this climb. The kind gents at Inbike CC did send me this jersey to test, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to test it on Box Hill. Let's see how much sweat and salt we can get onto it. Yeah, hopefully. Well, it does feel cool. It's pretty warm today, and I do think that it might well be a good choice. I'm quite digging this shirt already. Actually, it's a tight fit. Pockets are absolutely brilliant. You fit all sorts in there. But yeah, happy boy. I suppose we better get up and down this hill. We're going to go down it, and then we're going to come back up it again, and hopefully we'll we'll be able to get a sweat up and find out if this jersey is going to be any good or not. Well, that's Box Hill done for this year. I'm not going to lie, that was hard work. I think we got a PB. Yep, Strava personal best. I've no idea what it was, but I'll have a look when I get my pulse back. Overall though, jersey's good. Yep, it's not soaking wet, which would normally be the case by now. Clearly keeps me dry. It's not soaking wet. Yep, even under the armpits. Armpits are pretty spot on. And yeah, I think that might have helped me get up a little bit quicker, maybe a couple of seconds, you never know. But I don't feel wet at all on my body, which is exactly what you're looking for in a jersey. If you like to look at this Inbike jersey, this specific design I'll put in the description, but also I've got a 15% discount code for you as well. So if you do want to grab one of these bargains, tap up the code, save some money, win-win. Well, what a day. I've got to thank my cousin Mike Bradford for helping me out with the camera work today. He did some of the fantastic shots when we were in the woods with the jersey. Excellent job. And also he was the cameraman on the side of the road when I was going down Box Hill as well, so big thank you for you. All of you though, I've got to say Box Hill is probably one of my favourite rides out of anywhere I've ever ridden. Thank you for joining me at Box Hill. I hope you've enjoyed the ride. I've certainly enjoyed it myself. I think it's an absolutely fantastic place. If you like what you see, please do click like, comment, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.